Hello everyone! Today we'll learn to make an awesome motion graphic video using Canva. We will see how to create a stunning animation visual for different fruit shakes in this video. Let's get started. First, go to the video and open a new video project. Change page duration to 0.5 seconds and change background color. Add new page and add strawberry image to page. At first, we are animating for strawberry shake. Resize and adjust it in the middle of the page. Now adjust image of strawberry shake and drag it to the top, keeping the transparent part visible. Add text and type your text. Change the font to something you like. Change color and add effects if you want. Keep some space below your text. Do the same for more text and drag it to the top, keeping transparent part visible like we did before. Duplicate the page, resize the image and place it to the left corner. Then drag the text and strawberry shake image and position it as you want. Go back to the first page, add a transition and click on flow. Drag duration to the maximum. For the second image, add match and move transition. And increase the duration. Now we do the same process for next two products. Please see the video and follow. Once this is done, we will add a new page and add all fruit images. Adjust in the middle and group it. Change the background color and increase size for all fruits. Add all fruit shakes image and place it to the top like we did before. Now add text. Here we will add order now and drag it to the top as well. Then duplicate the page. Make the fruit image small and place it in the middle. Again duplicate the page. Drag the fruit image to the bottom left corner and place all hidden images and text to the position you like. Add transition as you see in the video. And here it is. Your stunning motion graphic video is ready. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.